It marvel me how much impression Jamaica have on the world. A small little country like Jamaica is so impactful. Like, we go places in a big foreign, bro, and a person would hear my accent and they would say to me, "Where are you from?" "I'm from Jamaica." Jamaica! I love Jamaica. And have you ever been to Jamaica before? No, but I plan to go. Jamaica is such a wonderful place. I love the people. I love the food. It's like a big deal. Jamaica is such an inspirational place, yo. We're just happy to be a Jamaican. The aura where Jamaica bring off unmatched, isn't me? No disrespect to nobody else in the country, but everybody want a little bit of Jamaican in them, isn't me? Big up to everybody. We love Jamaica, is it? We love you too, yeah?
Hi guys, I believe all of you are doing well and fine today. For those who are new here and first time viewers and subscribers, I'm Marvin, and please and kindly feel free to hit the subscribe icon below and follow my page. If you find this video educative or value out of essence, you can as well share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to like this video, our family. On today's episode, our focus will be in Jamaica. Why is the planet suddenly falling in love with Jamaica? With the first video from this guy, we can clearly get to understand why people are falling in love with Jamaica. It is because of their culture, it is because of their food, and also the most important reason is because of their music. All the admiring athletes we see win gold medals in athletes such as Usain Bolt, among others. This is a true testimony that the world is finally getting its admiration to Jamaica. Also, Jamaica is one of the countries in the Caribbean and island, a fashion destined country. We can see from its beaches, we can see also from its tourist attractions, the rivers, all the natural resources which are there. This makes many people want to travel to Jamaica so that they can get to see why the world is suddenly falling in love with this wonderful country. For it being an island, I believe it's one of the most successful countries in the Caribbean on my end. People are clearly want to live in this wonderful country. Let's watch the following videos I've compiled for you people, and we'll come back at the end and discuss the subject matter. Make sure you watch this video to the end so that we can all be at and in the same page. Let's watch.
I think it's one of the most peaceful places you can live in the world. Let me explain. See, if you follow mainstream media and news outlets, you would think that Jamaica is one of the worst places ever. There are places in America that are way more volatile than Jamaica. Places that are way more dangerous than Jamaica. No, I'm not saying Jamaica is dangerous, but there's places in America where it make that look like no. Places in our states like Philadelphia, New Orleans, some places in Texas, some places in California, Oakland. No, I have not been to all these places, but being in America and being able to access local news outlets and media and things like that, you get to understand that there's some places in America you don't want to go, you don't want to visit. Like you can't go there. Even if you want to go there, you can't go there. If you live in Jamaica, you have to have street smarts. You can't just out of the foolishness. If you have to have a head for your body, you can't really go like on the sense of Jamaica. Don't want trouble people want trouble here for the most part. Of course, random foolishness can happen like anywhere else in the world. But Jamaica is not as bad as mainstream media would have you think. Big up in the...
Did you know that Jamaica is not just a place or a country? Jamaica is a vibe. It's a content. It's a context. Jamaica is a vibration. Jamaica is music. It's people. Jamaica is money. Jamaica is love. Jamaica is life. Jamaica is food. Jamaica is you. Jamaica is me. Jamaica is for all the world to see that a country as small as a dot on the map. Yeah, we got it like that. And if it's one thing I can tell you, Jamaica, you can never stop. the music, the food, the people, the atmosphere, the vibe, the country, and not to mention athletics. Jamaica is not an easy walkover, you know, people. We are the heartbeat of the world. If you don't believe me, ask any boy or girl. Jamaica is number one in this world.
3 reasons why I have to raise my kids in Jamaica. I'm sitting here, the sun is shining, they're in the swimming pool having the times of their lives, and it just occurred to me that there are certain things that are specific to Jamaica. You get nice weather in lots of places, but here's why I need to make sure that we can make that move here, and sooner rather than later. My kids are currently 4 years old and the clock is ticking, babes. The first thing is that our Jamaican national pride needs to be studied. The way we are just full of pride, bossy, and just think that we can just be the best all the time. Honestly, growing up in that environment where you are Jamaican first just makes you feel this sense of confidence that nobody can test. I grew up thinking that I could be anything, do anything, and move into any kind of space because I was Jamaican. I mean, what do you mean I can't? The second thing I will say is that we truly understand that village mentality. We strangers are not only kind and nurturing, but they are, you know, willing to tell a child when they aren't doing something right. Yesterday, Maya was spilling water outside of the pool, and a lady who is living where we're staying, she said to her, you know, babes, you have to keep the water inside the pool, and that really warmed my heart. I know some of you might be sensitive when strangers tell you kids things, but for me, as long as they're telling my children the right things, I am more than happy to hear it, to be empowered by it, and also let my kids know that they must listen and respect their elders, something that I find quite missing in other countries like the UK. And the third thing is that although I have not decided yet whether I'll be sending my kids to formal school or homeschooling, the fact is that I believe Jamaican education is better in those early years compared to the UK. I did my A-levels in England, and I was there for like 6 months when I was about 13, and high school just wasn't challenging because I had been so well equipped having been educated in Jamaica. There are lots of other things of why I want to move, but those 3 things right now are the top of my list, and I just don't think that you can get the vibe, the energy that you get when you live here. There's loads of other reasons why I want to live here, by the way, but those are specifically for my kids.
If you're still here with me, congratulations. God protect you and God protect your family. In this episode, we are all here to understand why the world is suddenly falling in love with Jamaica. We all know Jamaica has one of the most heard music around the world, the reggae music, the dancehall, the raga music, all of which we can see people are falling in love with their music. Also, the language, their tone, people suddenly want to talk to Jamaican people, they want to listen to their media because of the manner in which they talk. For it being an island in the Caribbean, we can see from its natural resources, many people want to visit that country for their tourist destinations. We can also see the cultural impact, their food. People also want to try out their food because many claim their food is of good quality. We can also see how Jamaica is beginning to be an outstanding country in the Caribbean region. For it being an island, many popular artists are coming from this wonderful island. We can see the likes of Nicki Minaj. We can also see the likes of Sincere, who many Black Americans love their music. This episode is only about creating awareness to the world, to this world, that Jamaica is a country that is lovable. It is a country where people want to visit all over the world, not only in the Caribbean. People also in Africa love Jamaicans. I believe Africans are in the front line in this war because they love Jamaica to the end, because they feel Jamaica is part of Africa. That's why we love Jamaica. What do you think about this episode? On your end, in your country, is Jamaica number one? Is it a country that you admire to travel to? Would you want to be a citizen in Jamaica? Let me know your response on the comment section below, and I will humbly respond to you. Let us uplift the Jamaican community in this wonderful planet. See you on the next episode, and thank you for watching, and goodbye.